In the box, 4-pack cordless phone replacement battery. Replaces BT183342, BT283342, BT166342, BT266342, BT166342, and BT26342. Compatibility. Works with most VTech, AT&T, and American Telecom phone models, also select Empire, Energizer, Interstate Batteries, Dantona, and GE models. Capacity. NiMH-type battery with 2.4 voltage and 600 mAh. Safety features. Over voltage, over current, overcharge, and short circuit protection. Top reviews from the United States. Best batteries ever for my home phone. Batteries were used for my home phone. Phone works perfectly for the last 20 years and it will last 20 more. Very please. Since the time of purchase. These plugged right into the phone. They charge as quickly as the OEM batteries I replaced. The charge lasts a few days in my home. Primarily as standby since we don't generally talk on the phone often. As for longevity of the product, I haven't owned it long enough to make that determination. Cordless phone batteries. Bought these for our cordless phones to replace the original batteries that came with the phones. They did the trick and are working fine now. Great value now we don't have to buy new phones.